Alright, I hate filming intros. I'm Andrew Fredette. Got a bunch of new stuff to show you that I made. Let's get into it. So if you follow the Neverland Supply Instagram, which you should, you would have known yesterday I dropped these tees, restocked these shorts, and dropped 6 1of1 Neverland cardigans. So this video is just going to be a closer look at all that stuff. Most everything is still available, so top link in the description if you want to purchase anything. Also, the past spring collection that I did, if you haven't seen that, I'll put up some pictures right now. I released this cardigan with the back stitch little spine. Also have it in black, have some white lounge pants and some socks. All that stuff is on sale on the website, so check that out as well. But enough of that, we'll get into some of the new stuff. First off, I want to show you the new Neverland tee. Haven't released a tee in a long time, but I'm very happy with how this shirt came out. If you noticed, the one on the website, the logo is lower. The logo is supposed to be lower. It's just my screen printer printed the sample too high, but that'll be fixed with the pairs or with the shirts that go out. So just know the shirts will look like in the picture where the logo is lower. As you can tell, a ringer tee with the black cuffs at the sleeves and the collar of the neck. Besides that, not too much. Got your Neverland tag right there. Nothing on the back. I just wanted to make a clean, simple shirt that can be worn with pretty much anything. And if you can't tell, the design incorporates some of the original logo with the spike things right there. I'm calling them thorns for the sake of this shirt. You got the little fruit berries right there, but if you didn't know, it came from the OG logo on the corners right there. And I actually did hand draw this and then scanned it in. So there's my original sketch of it. Obviously the little spike thorns aren't there, but just so you know, it is hand drawn by myself. I definitely ended up having to sketch the design like a couple of times before it turned out like this, but I'm very satisfied with how it turned out. I have this available in all sizes up to like 2XL. I think I can probably make bigger. If you do need it, just let me know. But yeah, they're up on the website if you're interested. Another reason I wanted to release these with these cardigans is, like, worn with a cardigan, you only see like maybe from here to here, so you just get a little idea of like each side, and I think it's just kind of cool. They like come together in the middle. You'll see what I mean. Anyways, if you like it, cop it. Other thing, like I said earlier, I restocked the elk work shorts. These are a Dickies slim fit short, work short. They are hemmed though at the bottom. Just gave the cuff like one roll up and then double stitched with the purple. We got the 2 elks in purple as well. Neverland tag on the back. Ooh. As I was saying, Neverland tag on the back. 5 pockets. They do have a little cell phone pocket, or for whatever you want right there. It fits your phone nicely though. Again, all sizes are available, like 28 to 38. I would recommend going up one size. On the waist, I wear 30. I ordered a 31. I also have like 33 available, 29, everything like that. So check the website out if you're interested. Alright, and as I said, I have some 1of1 cardigans that I made. Basically, I just put my own patch on a blank cardigan, but I did try to source like cool blanks. Basically, I got like 4 old comb digger sewn, some old undercover, and a needles cardigan. First up, we'll go from oldest to newest, I guess. Got 4 comb cardigans. This one is from 1990, very old, 8 years older than myself. This one is all wool, or I think like 80% wool, 20% nylon, something like that. But a very OG, like old school cardigan look with the tight elastic at the bottom. This one does have some nice pockets. Yeah, just like the wide top, skinny waist. I think that's a really classic cardigan look. Nice dark gray here. As you can see, also put the Neverland tag right below the comb one. Super nice condition, especially like I said, from 1990. Next one is from 1992. Very similar style, almost the exact same cut. However, this one is all cotton, not wool, so a little bit more comfortable. obviously a lighter gray, and yeah, 2 years older, but still in great condition, or 2 years younger, excuse me. Still in great condition, so there's that one. All these comb ones don't really have sizes. They all fit between like a medium and large, I would say, maybe an XL. All the measurements are online though, so just check those out. This one is from 1998. Very clean look on this one. This one has a zipper, a little bit more defined collar, pockets right there. It does have a slightly extended back right there. Definitely one of the cleanest ones. Like I said, 1998, amazing condition still. So there's that one. And the last comb one of my favorites. This is from 2001. Super nice, deep navy color. Again, cool zipper. It's got these little black panels next to it with the white contrast stitching. Very nice. Again, pockets at the bottom, ribbing. As you can see, this one has a much more wider open bottom compared to the older ones. Nothing on the back. There you go. Next up, we have one undercover piece. I was skeptical on calling this like a cardigan or not, but I just went ahead and called it that. It looks sort of cut like a bomber jacket, but it's a sweater material. It's from the 98-99 autumn winter collection. It's called Exchange. But yeah, a little bit of pilling. It's a nice subtle olive green color. Got the zipper down the middle, pockets. I just really like the style of it. Again, I don't know if you'd really call it a cardigan or not. You guys can let me know what you think. One more cardigan. This one has already sold though. Needles, it's a size large and a very nice purple. If you see up close, it does have like a yellowish, or I guess like a bronzy pattern within it, but primarily it does show up purple. Got the brighter purple at the cuff. Besides that, like I said, it already sold, so it isn't available, but figured I'd show you guys anyways. Thought it was a cool piece. That's pretty much everything I wanted to show you guys in this video. Also forgot to mention, all orders made this week are eligible to win this 1of1 Neverland trucker hat I had made, airbrushed on the front. As you can see, turned out pretty cool. Giving it away to one lucky order. So if you make an order, you're eligible to possibly get this in your package. Also, if you're still watching and you're a loyal supporter, use code APF and you'll get 10% off your order as a thank you to you guys for watching. And yeah, appreciate all the support, guys. I will catch you on the next video. Have a nice day.